Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install advanced K9 script by Evo Development into our FiveM server. This script contains much more amazing features, advanced UI and filled with ultimate realism. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the tibet store of Evo Development. I'll provide the store's link in the description below. Here we have two versions of advanced K9 script version 2. One is for QBCore and another one is for ESX. So you can purchase it according to your framework. I'll be installing for QBCore framework, so I'll be selecting this. From here you can read everything related to this script, and by clicking over here you can preview the script. To purchase the script, you just need to click on add to basket and purchase the script. After when you purchase the script, you will receive the script in your granted access section of your keymaster. To download the resource, you just need to click on download. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Now open the file, then copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. Now copy the name of the resource, then go to server.cfg and ensure your resource over here, just like this. To install the script, we have to carefully go through from the documentation. Just click over here. In here you will get 4 options. One is key features, another one is installation, third one is commands, and the fourth one is exports. Just click on installation. For QB version, make sure you have these dependencies installed in your FiveM server. If you are using ESX version, then make sure you have these dependencies installed. Now when you scroll down over here, you will see the section of database setup. You just need to click over here. Now click on copy to copy these SQL codes. Now open your head SQL, then click on open. Now select your server, then go to query, then paste this set of code over here. After that, click on run. This is the process to install the SQL of the script. Now after that, we have to add the items in our inventory. So we are using QB inventory. For that, we just need to copy this set of code from here. Then go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now come to the very bottom section of the code. Now paste your code of the items over here, just like this. Now press Ctrl save. Now we have to add the images in our inventory. For that, open your K9 script, go to images, then copy these images from here. Open your QB folder, go to QB inventory, HTML, images, then paste your images over here, just like this. Now we have to do inventory integration. For QB inventory, we just need to click over here to expand the code. Now copy this set of code from here. After that, go to QB inventory, server, functions.lua. Now come to very bottom section of the code and paste your code over here, just like this. In the config file, we can configure the time and the amount of the K9 status bar like hunger and thirst. In the shop part, we have the items of the K9 with its name, label and price. In the K9 spawn section, we already have 2 K9 houses configured in our server. If you want to change the location, you can change the coordinate from here. After that, we have K9 food and K9 drink section. You can configure them as you want. And this is the animation time taken by the dog to consume the item. In this section of config, if you go far from the dog, what will happen? What will the dog do? You can configure that from here. And this is the section of animation. This is the section of owner's animation. And this is the section of dog's animation. And these are the items which will get removed after its use. And this is the default config length of a leash. In this section, you can configure what all things the K9 will search in which level. So that's it for the config file. Now let's start the server. So that's it for the config file. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. We have 2 K9 houses over here in the Winemoon PD. To spawn the K9, we just need to use our target eye, then click on call dog. Now click on add new dog. After that, give it a name. So I'll be giving a name of Rocky. Then click on breed type. As you can see, we have 3 different type of breed over here. One is German Shepherd, second one is Pit Bull, and the third one is Doberman. So I'll be selecting German Shepherd over here. And here we have a different texture of German Shepherds, as you can see over here. So I'll be keeping it default. So let's see for the Pit Bull, we have these 3 texture of Pit Bulls. And for the Doberman, we have these textures. Only 2 textures. After selecting your K9, you just need to click on back, then click on create. Now in here you can see the details of your K9. You just need to click over here and click on edit. From here you can customize your K9. So let's start with the vest. So we have 2 different type of vest. One is tactical vest, another one is normal vest. By using the arrows you can change the position of your K9. So I'm going for the tactical vest. Now let's change the variation. So I'll be selecting this one. Click on back. Now let's go for the hats. As you can see, we have 5 different types of hat over here. For this, I'll be selecting this helmet and giving a black color on here. Now let's change the decals. Click on tactical and So here we have different names of the units. So I'll be selecting the police one. Now let's check out the collars. Okay, we have 4 varieties of collars over here. So I'll be selecting the flashlight for now. Now the last thing is glasses. Just click on glasses and I'll be selecting the tactical glasses over here. Click on back, then click on save. Here you will see the option of the shops. From here you can buy things for your canine. So I'll be buying everything each. After clicking on the basket, you can increase the amount. So I'll be buying each of everything. After that, we got 2 options to pay. So I am paying by bank. Now to make the canine spawn, you just need to click over here. As you can see, now our canine is out. And we got our canine menu. To open the menu, you just need to press O. If you want, you can change your keybind. You just need to go to settings. Then go to keybinds. Go to FiveM. Then from here, you can change the keybind of your canine menu. So here you can see our canine, how it's look. Now let's see every options of our canine. Press enter to go into the section. In the move section, we have go there, come here and enter car option. So let's test the go there option. Here you will get the small circle which indicates the position. So you just need to press E to make your canine go over there. Now let's call back our canine by the come here command. Now let's check the leash option. It will come wherever we go. When you click on light, as you can see, the light which is in the helmet of our dog is now started. It will help us to investigate in the darker area. So let's turn off the light. Now let's remove the leash. From the order option, we can order our canine to perform certain things. So let's click on sit. As you can see, our canine is sit now. We have one more option which is lay down. Let's call our canine over here. To go back to the main menu, we just need to press backspace. Then we can go to the main menu. We will check the train option later. Let's go to the setting. From this option, we can change the position of our UI. So currently it is on the right section. Let's change it to left. Now change it to center. You can adjust the position as you like. If your dog gets stuck in somewhere, you just need to press refresh for that. From this option, you can change the ownership of your canine. Now let's check the option of animation. So this is the first order animation. And this one is second. And this one is third. For the order, I'll be keeping this one. For the search, I'll be keeping this one. For the call, I'll be keeping this one. The last option is of our canine's animation. So when it sees something illegal, it will do like this. Or you can change it to this one. Third animation is this one. So, and the fourth one is this. Fifth one is this. Okay, so I'll be selecting this one for this animation. Now the fifth and the last option is for our canine's info. As you can see, the health bar, the hunger bar and the thirst bar over here. So here we have our police car. Let's order our canine to enter into the car. We just need to press enter car. After that, we just need to open the door and our canine will sit into the car. Let's go to other area where I'll show you the training option. As you can see over here, our canine looks very beautiful with us. Now in this area, we will be seeing the training option. First, let's train our canine to attack and increase her skill. We just need to press start. After that, we'll get the option of amount of targets between 2 to 10. So I'll be entering 4 and click on confirm. After that, you will see these dummies over here. Now our canine will start to attack them. As you can see on the right side, it's written the dog's attack skill is too low to affect the target. We just need to keep up the training to level up the skills. As you can see over here, the attacking skill has been increased to 15. Now let's train our canine to increase the stamina. We just need to press start for that. After that, we'll get the number of cones between 1 to 4. So I'll be entering 2. Click on confirm. As you can see, our canine is start to train. Now the last training is of smell training. For that, we have to plant the weed inside the ground by selecting this dual option, then click over here. As you can see, now we are planting the weed inside the ground. Now click on start and let our canine find the weed. So okay, our canine is now started to find the weed. Because our canine skill is low, I don't think so he can find the weed. Okay, as you can see over here, he finished the search and did not find the weed. We can use our target eye to interact with our canine. To pet our canine, we just need to click on pet dog. When we do this, all of our stress will get to vanish, as you can see over here. And also we can carry our canine as well. So let's put our canine over here. With this script we get two different type of canine cages. The first one is this one. Press E to place the cage. As you can see here, this is our first cage over here. So let's pick this up. And this is our second canine cage. As you can see over here, to call our canine inside, we just need to open the door and click on call dog inside. As you can see, our canine entered inside the cage. After that, close the door and click on pick up cage. That's it. Now to call our canine back, we just need to use our canine cage again. Press E to place. Now open the door. Click on call dog. As you can see over here, our canine is appeared. After that, give the command of come here. As you can see, now our canine is with us. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.